Hi, I'm Amy Feller with Feller Roofing, the home of the roofer chick, and we're doing another project spotlight today. This customer actually lives pretty close to me, and they were going to sell their house and knew that they weren't going to pass inspection because they were missing some shingles. It was a 3-tab roof, and right up at the top in plain sight they were missing some shingles. So they asked me to come over and take a look at it, and I told them honestly the whole roof needed to be replaced if they're going to sell it. I didn't think it would pass inspection, but that they had hail and wind damage both, and I thought they should call their insurance. Homeowners of America was our insurance, and they came out and the customer was awarded a full replacement. So instead of going back with a 3-tab shingle, we installed a dimensional shingle. This color is called Rustic Black, and it has a better wind rating, and also it changed the color of their house and gave them much better curb appeal. The house just turned out beautiful as a finished project. The ventilation on this house, we installed a GAF Master Power Vent. Instead of, they had static turtle vents on the house before. And we also, you'll notice this is called a sky tube or a solar tube, and it's not a skylight, it's actually a plastic cover with a tube that runs down through the attic space, and it's used to bring light into the home. So we reset that, but before we reset it, we installed ice and water shield. And ice and water shield we would have installed it around the power vent, around all the pipe jacks, around chimneys. We put it around any penetration on the roof. It gives that roof an extra layer of protection in those areas that are most prone to leak. We just love how this roof turned out with the rustic black against the red brick, and the brick has a little bit of black in it as well, and the shutters. It just looks fantastic. Thank you for joining us on another Project Spotlight. We'll see you again soon. I'm Amy Feller with Feller Roofing, the home of the roofer chick.